Hi guys, I welcome you to my first video. In this series of videos, I'll try to go through the history of Western philosophy. This isn't some deep dive into philosophy, I'm just starting to get interested in it. And this is an introduction to philosophy for me as much as for you. I try to give the history of philosophy some structure here. It's meant more as an introduction to individual movements from which you or I can jump off and go deeper into whatever interests us. In the future, I might go more into depth on some of the topics that catch my attention and build up more knowledge for both of us. Enjoy. We should begin with the Pre-Socratics, as most philosophy courses do. Pre-Socratics is a very broad term which covers many schools and philosophers. Today, we will start with the Milesian School. The Milesian School was founded in the 6th century BC. It was led by Thales, Anaximander, and Anaximenes from the town of Miletus. Hence the name of the school. This school of thought marked the beginning of Western philosophy. They were looking for natural explanations for the world around them, moving away from the mythological accounts. They introduced the concept of arche, the fundamental substance of the universe. These early Greek thinkers also made real contributions to fields like geometry, astronomy, and geography. Their ideas about the arche, water, apeiron, and air laid the groundwork for rational inquiry and scientific thinking and went on to influence later philosophers and scientists. Thales proposed water as the fundamental substance, the arche, from which everything in the universe originates. Water here isn't meant literally. The idea is more that it's a kind of first cause, an arche, something elusive that underlies everything. He also developed a theory that Earth floated on a vast ocean of water. Beyond philosophy, he made notable contributions to geometry, Thales' theorem, and astronomy. He predicted a solar eclipse in 585 BCE, which was the thing that really made him famous. People were genuinely surprised by it. The next one is Anaximander. Anaximander was a student and successor of Thales. He took his teacher's idea and developed it further, introducing the concept of the apeiron as the arche, the boundless, infinite substance. Etymologically, it comes from a as a without and peirar as an end or limit, and means unlimited or infinite. Rather than picking something concrete like water, he argued the original principle had to be something unlimited and undefined. He also created the first known map of the world, which was a significant step forward in geography. So, the last one is Anaximenes. Anaximenes was a student of Anaximander. He identified air as the primary substance of the universe. He explained natural phenomena like the formation of clouds and rain through the processes of thinning and condensation of air. So, let us make short summary. Milesian School was the first philosophical school of the Pre-Socratics, was founded in Miletus and consisted of three main thinkers, Thales, Anaximander, and Anaximenes. Thales proposed that the arche was water, Anaximander proposed that the arche is apeiron, and Anaximenes proposed that the arche was air. Thank you for watching my first video. I hope to see you again on this channel next time. Bye.